My name is Thea and I'm from Hong Kong. I did a bachelor degree in food and nutritional science and minor in business. And right now I'm working in an NGO in Hong Kong that promotes climate change innovation and education and action. So we run an incubation program that incubates like innovation teams and startups that develop high impact and innovative solutions for climate change and sustainability challenges. And I see a lot of synergy between the program and the journey, and that's why I thought I'll apply for the journey and learn something from here and bring some learnings back to Hong Kong and create this synergy between Europe and Hong Kong and set up climate action in Hong Kong. We've started looking at systems change in the journey last week and today, and I've learned a lot in terms of systems change and also systemic change, because I think climate change is such a global challenge, a multifaceted challenge that we cannot tackle it in one industry or in one perspective, and it takes everyone and all industries to work together. And I think what we've learned so far, with many perspectives from all the nationalities, all the people from all over the world, have really contributed to that lesson, and that I've gained more perspectives to look at this global problem, and I think that's most valuable so far.